Alright, cool.
Hey, is it facing me or you?
You?
Hey, I'm scraping wax out of a jar with this handy dandy little knife rock thing that I found.
And together, we both built this wonderful fire.
It's so pretty.
I love it.
I want more.
We did this in the rain. I brought over some dry boxes and some really
Clementine boxes.
Yes.
Clementine boxes, people. Save those.
Clementine box. Any kind of really dry box. Yeah, and a lot of wax, and the oily wax kept the fire burning long enough to dry out these logs. So we actually got the fire to stick with any intermission between rain. So yay! We did it. Not very easy, no, but we did it. I don't know. This is a wonderful little feat that we did here. Thank you very much. Yeah, you can keep doing that. Definitely keep doing that. I am going to take a little walk and get some footage of the massive waterfall that's going on right now. I have never seen, within the 10 years of my life living here, the waterfall raging this badly at Ithaca Falls. First dam. It's actually really cool. In person, it looks like the real clouds just coming right out of the waterfall. Get a good look at that. It continues to rage all the way down past that tree. Hello.
What I did, I took out the
Beautiful.
moss on it,
Yeah.
and I smeared it with the wax,
Did you put it back?
and I put it back.
Yep. Because the oils will continue to burn, even
Yeah,
if the wood itself is not doing so good. The oil will actually burn off ashes, the oil from the wax. And it's really good for conditions like this. You can use any kind of waxy, oily wax. Oil itself is good, but it burns a lot faster. The wax is a good combination of both. I'm going to get some footage of the other wonderful waterfall. Yeah. Cool. Hey Kathleen, can you get some footage of me?
What?
Can you videotape me?
What?
Can you videotape me real quick?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll let you burn more stuff.
But the fire's dying.
I got it.